Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to LinguaBoost, where learning English becomes fun, real, and easy. Today's video is going to be super useful because you'll learn 150 real-life English situations that you can use every single day. At home, at school, at work, while shopping and traveling, and so much more. These are the exact sentences people use in real conversations. So, if you want to speak English naturally and confidently, stay with me till the end and repeat after me to boost your fluency fast. Let's jump straight into your real life, English world, and start speaking like a pro. Let us speak English at home. I have just finished cleaning my room. Could you please turn down the volume? I cannot find my phone anywhere. Let us order something for dinner tonight. The internet connection is really slow today. I am trying to fix the light bulb. It has been a long day. I just want to relax. Do not forget to water the plants. Can you help me set the table, please? I usually wake up around 7 every morning. Now, let us speak English at school or college. I did not understand that part. Could you explain again? I think we have a test tomorrow, right? My favorite subject is English because it is practical. The teacher asked us to submit the assignment by Friday. I need to improve my handwriting. It is really messy. Let us review our notes before the class starts. I am nervous about giving my presentation today. Can we study together after school? I forgot to bring my textbook again. This chapter looks difficult, but we can handle it. Now, let us speak English at work or in the office. I will email you the report once I am done reviewing it. Let us discuss the new project in today's meeting. I am running a bit late. Please start without me. Could you please print out these documents? I really enjoy working with a creative team. The manager wants us to finish this task by tomorrow. Let us take a short coffee break and then continue. I am still waiting for his reply to my message. The presentation went better than I expected. I will handle the rest of the work from home. Let us speak English while shopping. How much does this shirt cost? Do you have this in a different size? I am just looking. Thank you. Could I try this on, please? It fits me perfectly. Do you have any special discount today? I think this color suits me better. Can I pay by card? Here is your change and your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let us speak English while traveling. Where can I find the bus stop? I need a taxi to the railway station. How long does it take to reach the airport? My flight has been delayed for 2 hours. Can you please help me with my luggage? Is this seat available? What time does the train leave? I have lost my ticket somewhere. I am traveling to Islamabad for a meeting. I hope you have a safe journey. Let us speak English in daily conversations. How are you feeling today? I am doing fine, thank you. It has been a long time since we met. What are your plans for the weekend? That sounds like a great idea. I completely agree with you. I am not sure about that. Could you please repeat what you said? It was nice talking to you. See you again soon. Let us speak English at a cafe or restaurant. A table for two, please. Could I see the menu, please? I would like to order a cup of coffee. The food looks delicious. Can you make it a little less spicy? I will have the same dish as my friend. The service here is excellent. Can I get the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Thank you for the meal. It was wonderful. Let us speak English at the doctor or hospital. I am not feeling well today. I have a sore throat and a fever. How long have you been sick? You should take this medicine twice a day. Make sure you drink plenty of water. You need to get some rest. Do you have any allergies? I feel a little better now. Please book a follow-up appointment. Thank you, doctor, for your help. Let us speak English to express feelings and emotions. I am feeling very happy today. I am a bit nervous about tomorrow. I feel tired after a long day. I am excited to see my friends again. I am sorry for being late. I really appreciate your kindness. I feel relaxed when I listen to music. Do not worry. Everything will be fine. That was such a funny story. I am proud of what I have achieved. Let us speak English about daily home life. I have just come back from work. Please close the window. It is too cold. I am cooking something special for dinner tonight. Could you please help me with the dishes? The children are watching television in the living room. I need to clean the house this weekend. Please do not forget to switch off the fan. I am reading my favorite book before sleeping. Let us take some rest after lunch. The house feels so peaceful this evening. Let us speak English about the weather. It is raining heavily outside. The weather is pleasant today. It was very hot in the afternoon. I think it might snow tonight. There is a cool breeze this morning. It looks like it will rain soon. The sky is full of dark clouds. I forgot to bring my umbrella again. It feels so fresh after the rain. I enjoy watching the sunset every day. Let us speak English about time and asking for help. What time does your class start? It is almost 8 o'clock now. Please remind me to call my friend later. Could you please help me carry these bags? I am not sure how to use this machine. Can you show me the way to the nearest bus stop? I really appreciate your help. That was very kind of you. Do you mind if I ask a question? Thank you so much for your time and support. Let us start our morning in English. I wake up early to make my day productive. I drink a glass of water right after waking up. I check my phone to see new messages. I prepare breakfast for my family. I like to go for a short walk before work. I usually take a shower before having breakfast. I leave home at 8 every morning. The traffic is usually heavy at this time. I listen to music while I travel to work. I reach my office on time every day. Let us speak English in our workplace. I start my day by checking my emails. I attend a short meeting with my team. We discuss the goals for the day. I try to finish my work before the deadline. My manager appreciates hard work and teamwork. I take a short break to refresh my mind. I always keep my desk clean and organized. We share new ideas during our lunch break. I learn something new at work every day. Before leaving, I plan tasks for tomorrow. Let us speak English in the afternoon. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. After lunch, I like to take a short rest. I sometimes meet my friends for coffee. The weather is quite warm in the afternoon. I go to the market to buy some groceries. I spend some time helping my younger brother study. I check social media to relax a bit. Sometimes I take a short nap to feel fresh. I water the plants in the garden. I like to read news updates during tea time. Let us speak English in the evening and at night. I go for a walk after sunset. I enjoy spending time with my family. We watch a movie or talk about our day. I cook or help in preparing dinner. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. I check my messages before going to bed. I plan what I need to do the next day. I like to listen to soft music before sleeping. I thank God for the blessings of the day. I sleep around 11 at night. You did a wonderful job. Now you have learned 200 powerful and natural English sentences that you can use in real-life situations every single day. Keep practicing, repeat after me, and speak with confidence because English fluency comes with daily use. If you enjoyed this lesson, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to LinguaBoost for more videos like this. See you in the next one.